Okay, I would like to go over, I guess, the truth of weight loss. A lot of us are in some falsehoods, and we need to let the truth out so that people can be set free to do what they need to do with their lives. Number one, celebrities. Let's not compare ourselves to celebrities. They get paid millions of dollars to look that way. Damn it, if I'm paying Beyonce, if we were paying Beyonce or Shakira millions of dollars, you better come out the house flawless. You better snap back after 14 babies. That stomach should be snatched. Those thighs should be snatched. I don't want to see no cellulite. I don't want to see no love handles. You get way too much money to look like that. Now, for those of you who don't even keep up with your massages, who don't keep up with facials, who only go to the gym 3 times a week, don't compare yourself to Beyonce. Don't do it because you're not even there. You're in our world. This is what we call our world, the working woman's world, our world, where we work and we have to remember to take care of ourselves. Not someone who gets paid to take care of themselves. Number one, let's not. Number two, what you don't see is the surgeries, the Photoshop. Yes, those magazines you're looking at, the videos you're looking at, the movies you're looking at, they don't look like that. They do not look like that. That is spray paint. I wish I could walk around with spray paint. Give me enough money to get some stylists. I would be spray painted for the gods. I would have a 6-pack after eating a fat burger and some french fries. I swear for God. But that is not how they look. So stop comparing yourself to that. Number three, the surgeries that it takes to keep up with that. The surgeries that it takes to keep up with that. Yeah, no, again, do not compare yourself to someone who can afford to have liposuction at the drop of a hat. Number four, oh, let's hit that gym. Ooh, 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 ooh. You know, I've had the privilege of going and being members and being fired from many, many gyms. And I have to tell you, those fit women and men that you see, that's not natural. They ain't going there. They're not going in there with their vitamins and water. Some of them are HGH, steroids, stimulants. I even have to take a thermogenic to work out. I don't just wake up and be like, dun, 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 dun. Heck no. To work out for 2 hours a day? You think that's just natural? You probably do that once or twice. You ain't keeping that up. Not without a stimulant of some sort. So let's just get the truth out there. What about all these fantastic trainers you see on TV, The Biggest Loser and all that? These people losing all this weight. If I told you to just eat cabbage, you would just lose weight too, right? Yeah, you would just lose weight. That's why Jenny Craig and Nutrisystem and Weight Watchers, they're not a diet place. That's not a place where you're going to maintain your weight. If it was, they would go out of business. So it's meant to be a revolving door because you can't live off of that little amount of calories a day. So that is the truth behind the weight loss. Everyone you see is not 100% natural. It is not intended for you day-to-day people to be running around here looking like you're making millions of dollars. In fact, if you are spending that much time in the gym, you should be making money off your body. But for those of you who have careers, who have families, who love to go out and drink and party, just keep it sexy. Just keep it sexy. You shouldn't have love handles either, but just keep it sexy. Don't stress yourself out trying to look like these people who have the money and who are doing drugs and can get there. Unless you want to get some more money and get some drugs, which, all right. That is the truth behind weight loss. Don't stress yourself out.